Cache Giraffe storage usage depends on your device, app version, and the amount of temporary data the app collects while you use it. If you are checking whether Cache Giraffe takes up too much space, the fastest way is to look at the app storage section on your phone and check the current size shown there. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Cache Giraffe, and check the storage information. This shows how much space the app and its stored data are using on your device. On iPhone, open Settings, select General, then iPhone Storage, and find Cache Giraffe in the app list. This shows the app size and any additional data saved on your phone. The app size can change over time because updates may add new features, and stored data such as temporary files can increase storage usage. If Cache Giraffe is using more space than expected, clearing temporary data can help on supported devices. On Android, you can usually clear an app cache through the app settings without deleting your account. On iPhone, the usual option is removing and reinstalling the app if you need to clear stored app data. Make sure your account information is saved before doing this. Keeping your device storage available can also help apps run properly. If your phone has very little free space, apps may experience slower performance or update problems. If Cache Giraffe is not updating because of storage limits, check your available device space first. Remove unused apps, old downloads, or unnecessary files before trying the update again. You can also check whether you are running the latest version of Cache Giraffe through your device's app store. Updates may change how much storage the app requires. The easiest way to manage Cache Giraffe storage is to check the app size regularly. Keep your phone updated, and remove unnecessary stored data when needed. The app itself is only one part of the storage picture because saved data, updates, and temporary files can also affect the total space used. If you are having storage problems with Cache Giraffe, check your phone settings first instead of guessing. The storage page will show exactly what is taking up space. If this guide helped you check Cache Giraffe storage usage, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.